संग्रामे सर्वकार्येषु विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते संग्रामे सर्वकार्येषु विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते.
The establishment of this AI lab is a significant step towards empowering our students and faculty with advanced knowledge and hands-on experience in artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. Ms. Navisha Prabhakar, Madam, Regional Head, Education, Google Cloud, we sincerely appreciate your efforts in strengthening academia industry partnerships and enabling institutions like ours to access world-class AI and cloud technologies. Mr. B. Balnesh, sir, CEO, Henotic Group and Google partner. Sir, we are grateful for your support in bridging academic learning with industry practice and for your valuable contribution to this initiative. We sincerely thank Google, Henotic Group and all our partners for their support in establishing this Google AI Lab. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Today marks an important milestone in the journey of Vignan University. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future, it is transforming our present. The establishment of Google AI Lab on our campus will empower our students and researchers to experiment with cutting-edge AI tools, develop industry-relevant solutions, and gain hands-on experience with the technologies that are shaping the fourth industrial revolution. The skills you develop today, critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, and innovation, will define the leaders of tomorrow. The partnership between Vignan University and Google reflects our shared vision of nurturing talent that can compete global while contributing meaningful to society. I urge each one of you, do not merely consume technology, create it. Do not just find jobs, but build solutions that create jobs for others. On behalf of Vignan University, I once again welcome our distinguished guests, faculty, students, and all the participants. Let us celebrate this new beginning and work together to build a future powered by knowledge, innovation, responsible artificial intelligence. Thank you. I wish Google AI Lab at our university a great success. Thank you.
All the deans, head of departments, our dear AI champions, and my dearest students, a very good morning to all of you. The inauguration of the Vignan Google AI Lab marks a defining chapter in our institution's journey towards global academic and technological excellence. I request you, madam, to continuously nurture this relationship, guide us, challenge us, and mentor our community through regular workshops, guest hackathons, and joint research and problem-solving initiatives. And as we nurture this relationship, I make an honest request to the talent acquisition teams at Google. The students sitting in this room are brilliant, hardworking, and deeply passionate. Now, trained under the guidance of our upskilled faculty and equipped with the exact tools used in Silicon Valley, they will be uniquely prepared to solve Google scale problems. We invite you to make Vignan a premium destination for your campus recruitment, and we promise to deliver industry-ready talent that will make Google proud. My sincere thanks one more time to all of you. Thank you.
It creates a lot of change in our approach, in our way of thinking, way of teaching, way of doing things. And definitely it has got a lot of influence on our perceptions. So, but here I have two requests for the Google team. The one request is, I want to make it a really functional lab, not an ornamental lab, not as a lab for publicity for the marketing sake, really happening place. So to happen this kind of thing, two requirements are there. First requirement is our faculty must be empowered. Faculty must be familiar with the technology. Faculty must be very eager to learn this technology. So it happens only on the industry. This university, only university in the country, any given time we are sending 20-30% of the faculty to the industry, faculty industry immersion program. This is the only university having that kind of practice. So my request here is for the Google, we'll pay entire their salaries, their DAs, everything. But only thing, you have to convince your people and accommodate 4 or 5 people to learn the techniques, what is going on the floor. If 4 or 5 faculties, batch to batch, go there, work with the people and the Google, and learn how they are solving the problems, how they are pursuing the problems, that is the real empowerment of the faculty. Then only real things will happen. The second request is these students or faculty cannot create many problems. They may create 5, 6 problems. They cannot create huge number of problems. But the huge number of problems are very much there with the Google. If they give the live problems to the students and faculty, yes, if they try, if they are successful, fine. Even if they fail also, it is wonderful. So if I request them to convince their technical people to give some live problems onto this campus, so that our faculty and students will try for that. Of agriculture area, of the coastal area where there is a lot of blue economy, and of some health sector. So if give some problems of this area, and my faculty and students together use this lab and try for solutions, that would be very interesting. And my dear students, yeah, this is a great opportunity for you to learn new things, and all of you must be imagined by this time, in the next 4 years, nobody would be relevant or nobody can survive without AI. All your projects should be directly or indirectly connected to this lab. And the other thing is, if in the next 2 years, if this lab produces one entrepreneur, that would be a great thing. And acquire the skills not at the institution or regional level, acquire the skills at the global level. And the faculty is going to play a great role. And first thing, if they offer this kind, what I requested them, offer this, try to, involve yourselves learning in the actual environment, in the actual culture of the Google. And for that, you have to learn something much better than the students. And so then only you can guide them properly and you can associate. At least you associate with the students of different batches and work for the new solutions. Definitely it would be a great thing. This lab is not only open to our university, we'll make it accessible to all the neighboring colleges also, all the neighboring universities also, if they wish it to have. Yeah, why should the knowledge is limited to a particular place, particular people? It should be open. It should be shared. That is what the Google's philosophy also. If they acquire the knowledge, it is to be shared. Then only it grows. Knowledge is always grows by sharing, because our people are so competent and confident, and our EC people created some space for the space research also. Here on the campus, they have done very successfully, and that is the competency they have. And we'll show a different version, different perception of using this Google AI Lab.
Today, I think we've already heard from Vignan management that it's a very important milestone as we come together to launch this AI lab in collaboration with Google. This is more than a lab launch, because what I feel and what I see is the beginning of a journey to empower all the students, all the researchers, educators with the tools, skills, and mindset which is needed. I think Sir made a very good point that it should not just be a lab which is a showcase. Many universities who will make use or the best use of this lab will be the ones where we see 4 or 5 students who emerge as maybe top entrepreneurs, top people who are using this from there till the next 5 years so that they can build something on top of it. This is just a tool or a platform that you are being given 24/7. I know there are universities who might do a capping on these things, but you all are very fortunate in this room who are getting access to this technology tool at a very, very beginning of this change in the era of AI that we are seeing. But what differentiates students who are willing to learn is the curious mindset that they have. So be ready to at least adopt, because Vignan has now taken a leadership role in the region to ensure that all of you are successful and you're not just consumers of technology. You are really being creators and innovators for the future, and you are solving real-time problems. Vignan should be known for creating all of these AI education fundamentals which are now coming in now, but also creators for future, which Vignan is already creating. So to all the students, my humble appeal is, this lab is basically there to experiment, build, fail fast, learn faster, and shape the future. We have a lot of new AI innovations coming in. We'll be happy to collaborate and keep sharing and keep doing some very, very razor focused work that we are doing in the industry along with Vignan.
Vignan University is the first university to have Google AI Lab in Andhra Pradesh. You people are using this particular platform to learn, develop, practice, and deploy the various applications. By adapting the same vehicle, the same platform which the employees of those companies and students of Vignan University and the faculty members, everybody use the same platform, and we want to make sure that you are not only just industry ready, job ready, it is more like technology ready. And tomorrow, your placement team can reach those companies, and you can very proudly present that all our students are using same platform, and our students have hands-on experience of building these applications. And these faculty members can use this platform to create teaching, learning, and creating new programs. We encourage all faculty members, researchers, and students come together and work together and do a lot of great innovation, and so that make that, because we have very good leadership in your state, and our beloved chief minister always he sleeps about, eats about AI and quantum, right? So make more successful and make the dream come to reality. And India wants to be the leader in AI. That is what our national vision. And let's work together. And thank you so much for giving your opportunity. All the best. Thank you.